Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. It's Monday 31st of May and it's your maths class. We are on Unit 2 Exercise 2B and our topic is LCM and HCF. LCM means, as we have studied in our previous class, that LCM means least common multiple. There are two ways to find out LCM, by prime factorization method and by division method. We have studied these 4 steps. So today we will solve the exercise which is on book page 36. Question number 7. Find the LCM of the following using division method. We have studied both method, prime factorization method and division method. What was it? This is the division method to find out the LCM of the given numbers. Write the numbers horizontally, separating them with commas. Divide the number by a prime number. Continue dividing till all the numbers are completely divided. Then multiply all the prime factors. In this way, we can get the LCM by division method. So, we will solve the exercise. The first question is 84, 27, 35 and 45. Here I solved this question. On the notebook you will do it. First of all, you will write the index, then you will ready your notebook like this. How you will solve the question? As we did it in the example, we write all the numbers horizontally, separating them with commas. Then we start dividing it from the smallest prime number, which is 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 27 is not divisible by 2. We will write it as it is. 35 and 45. Again we divide it by 2 because 42 is still dividing by 2. 21 and all the remaining numbers as it is. Now no number is divisible by 2, so we will take the next prime number, which is 3. 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27. 35 is not divisible by 3, so we will write it as it is, and 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Now again divide it by 3. 9 and 15 is divisible by 3. Again by 3. Now none of the number is divisible by 3, so we will take the next prime number, which is 4. 4 is not suitable, so we will take the next one. 5. 5 is 5 1s are 5 and 5 7s are 35. Now we will take 7. All the numbers are divisible and the answer is 1. So we will write the prime numbers to. Now we will write all the prime numbers by multiplying with each other. 2 2 2 2 3 3 3 5 7. All are multiplying with each other and the answer is 3780. Hence the LCM of 84, 27, 35 and 45 is 3780. Similarly, you will do its part B and part C. I have solved one more part for you, part D, so that you can easily understand. Part D is 12, 26, 16 and 39. Again we will take the, first of all we will write it horizontally, separating them with commas. Then we will take the smallest prime number. 2 6 are 12, 2 13s are 26, 2 8s are 16 and 39 is not divisible by 2, so we will write it as it is. Again 2 3s are 6, 13 is not divisible by 2, 2 4s are 8 and 39. 3 13, 2 2s are 4. Now 2 is completely divisible by this 2. The answer will 1. Now none of the number is divisible by 2, so we will take the next number, which is 3. 3 1s are 3, 13 remains as it is. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Now we will take 13 to divide it completely. Now write all the prime numbers and multiply it with each other. After multiplying, we get the answer 624. So the LCM of 12, 26, 16 and 39 is 624. and 24. Now note down the diary. Do practice plus homework of question 7 part A to D of exercise 2B from book page 36. It's all about today. If you have any problem, you can ask. Good luck. Goodbye.